So I got some Dave's chicken. Dave's hot chicken. This what they be doing on YouTube, Florida MG. And I just wanted to see if the world's hottest chicken strip is actually hot. So let me unravel it. Hold on. Okay, so here we go. This is the single tender Reaper. See Reaper right there. So here we go. God. Let's see how. It smells like a chicken tender. No wonder they be tripping. This mug is humongous. It's as big as my hand. Look at it. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Ain't no way. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ain't no way. Well, I'm gonna eat it. It just ain't better be right now. Oh my God. On a scale of 1 to 10, that motherfucker through the roof. I need some ranch dressing. I'm gonna kill it. Ooh, I'm gonna kill it. Hey, oh my God. Real reaction. Tears. Oh my God. Okay. I got some cheese fries and a mild and a light mild. I hope these motherfuckers ain't hot. Cause baby, this shit hot. I really eat this. I hope it ain't hot. Oh my God. It's fucking hot.